When you say you're a swimmer, what you're saying is you're trapped. Your head is in chains, your back in pain, you're colorblind. Your arms overreach, your scent is bleach, it's cold. In the middle of summer, you're stranded in winter with a splinter in your ear. You're a zombie. Skin dried, hair fried, always hungry. Then you're back to the grind, black line in your mind, fighting an army, fighting yourself, flipping and flapping and breaking and going in circles that never end. You're alone. But out there, out of air, you're breathing. And when you go with it and flow with it and listen to the rhythm and find your faith, you're not confined, you're free. You're a wizard with toes on skipping stones, your soul in lofty zones, because you dance upstream and you dream the supreme. You're fire. You're effortless, working out and working in. Because man was made to fear the deep, but you're here to find it.